हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ टिकट ट्रीट के एक छोटा सा ब्लॉग, क्योंकि इस साल टिकट ट्रीट उतना अच्छे से हो नहीं रहा है। हम लोग पहले आए हैं अर्दित के स्कूल में, तो आज ही मैसेज आया था कि हम लोग ये लोग ड्राइव थ्रू टिकट ट्रीट कर रहे हैं। तो आके बस कार में बैठे रहो और वो लोग शायद कुछ पिक्चर क्लिक करेंगे ईयर बुक के लिए, और थोड़ा कैंडी देंगे साथ में। तो इसीलिए हम लोग आए हैं। ये है हमारा माउंटेन लायन एंड डायनासोर, यू कैन सी। सो ऑल आर लाइक इन द costume of Halloween. It can be anything, not like all the time has to be scary. एक के पीछे और एक कार जा रहे हैं, तो ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा स्लोली हम लोग जाएंगे। आई थिंक एट द फ्रंट those teachers are giving something and they are taking pictures also. Happy Halloween!
There's for you. Have a great day, guys.
Happy Halloween.
Bye. Okay.
तो हम लोग अभी अपने कम्युनिटी में आ गए हैं। इधर इस बार हैलोवीन एक्चुअली कम्युनिटी में नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड। एंड इन द कम्युनिटी देयर विल बी अराउंड लाइक 50 to 70 houses are there, or more than, I don't know the exact account. But in our land, I know we are like never come friends, so we have decided like few houses we will do the Halloween. So 5-6 houses we are doing that. All the kids are coming out, and only they're gonna go to these houses only, not like throughout the community or anything. So here you can see they're in, all are in costume. The green one is my son. So this is kind of trick or treat. So this means either you can trick and scare them away not to get any treat, or else you have to give them treat. So treat can be any form, right? So this is very scary, the you eat. I know this time the most of the kids, they didn't take the candy from here actually. So because small kid, right, they will be very scared of this witch when they will never expect that it's gonna come like this. Doing better. The ghost is shaking, right? It looks like he is trying to catch him. So all the kids are coming, but they are like, see how she cannot take a candy from here. She knows that it's gonna come. She has seen that it's coming like this, so it's like very scary for them. Okay, he was able to get two candies. Uh, but most of the kids' mom told me like, no, our son didn't get candy from your spot. Even they got scared too. Like they was trying to show, but it came like bending head, so they become very scared. Here kids are like counting their candies. They all are like standing and checking did they miss any houses to have candy. Adi, show me, kiki candy pecho. So this one is like last. So now we are ending our ticket rate here. You can see our community is quite big, and we have come home. And now Ardit is going inside because he need to see how many kandi he has collected. And my witch is still in performance. You can see still he's like dancing, scaring the people. I have a big witch too. Look here. So we have collected this many candies. There will be different things, different candies. So that's it for this year. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. And thank you. And bye bye. See you in my next vlog with something new.